Mastitis in dogs is an infection of the mammary glands. It usually occurs in female dogs who are nursing a new litter of puppies. Some symptoms are teats are lumpy. Teats are painful to touch. Teats are warm or hot to the touch. Teats are bruised. Discolored milk or blood in the milk. Restlessness. Crying. Dehydration.